thing's about as stubborn as your ex-girlfriend, dude.
Dude, tell me about it.
I gotta fix that. I'm gonna smack someone in the face.
Feather it! Watch out!
Welcome back to Bobber Build Part 3. If you saw in the last video, we installed the headlight and we also fabricated the fairings to go over the battery box to cover up all the wires. But in today's video, we're gonna be taking care of the handlebar situation. I don't know if you guys saw in the previous videos, but our master cylinder and our clutch were silver and they didn't match with the bike whatsoever. So I went online and I went ahead and ordered the clutch lever and I also ordered the master cylinder lever. And I ordered these in black because I wanted everything to match. We hope you guys liked the video. If you like what we're doing, like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna make a quick coffee run real quick. Let's get after it. Welcome back, guys. We're back in the garage. We're about to start installing all this stuff right here. Got our lever, blinker assembly, and also the other grip. Before we start putting this stuff on, we're gonna go ahead and take this bad boy off, take all this crap off down here. We really don't need this anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and cut to a time lapse. We'll be right back. We just got the master cylinder on and it looks good. Look at that. That's way better than that silver, man. It's gonna look all good when it's done. All right, now that we got the master cylinder on, it's time to keep pressing with the clutch. We really don't need this anymore. About to get it off. There we go, baby. No more 1993 Honda Shadow junk. Yay! Alright guys, we just got everything on and it is looking bad to the bone. Look at that. No more silver. All linkage is tightened. It looks good. The only thing we're missing is the blinker assembly switch, and we're gonna have to order a new one of these because when I got the bike, I thought I could fix it, but we did some continuity tests on it and it turns out we're not gonna be able to make it work. That's the only thing we're missing for right now, but we're gonna go ahead and bleed the master cylinder to the front brake caliper and take it out for a little ride. We bled the brake caliper. This thing's ready to ride. I haven't rode this thing since we tore it apart. I'm excited. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart when we go on the road, so let's check it out. So we just walked the bike out of the garage. As you can see over here, this is our first time with it in sunlight and it looks really good. Bam! I'm excited. So I went ahead and put the GoPro on. I'm gonna take you guys for a ride with me real quick. Let's go. This has been part 3 of the Honda Shadow bobber build. If you guys like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe. The ride was awesome. The bike ride's way better, way more fun to ride. So appreciate you guys watching. Have a good day. We just took the bike out for a night test ride to test out our new LED headlight we found, and it's decently bright. And I'm not really sure if maybe we need to add another one or find one with more lumens. It was a really great day. We got all this stuff installed on the handlebars, the master cylinder, the clutch assembly, and the other grip. We weren't able to go through with installing the blinker assembly. I talked about that earlier and the reasons why we're gonna have to order a new one. If you guys like what you saw today, like, comment, subscribe. If you got any advice or opinions for us, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.